Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you about how to use the ability feature in Visit. So this feature will let you add different kinds of boosts to the rod that you're using, depending on the ability that you get. And to access it, just simply tap on items, this one, and then just tap on abilities, this one, and then here just tap on get more, like this. And in here you can roll to get a random ability, and when this feature was first released you got one free roll on here. And if you want to reroll, you will need to use Robux by tap on buy spin, like this, and then in here you will see several spin packets that you can choose from, like this. And then next, if you reroll and get the same ability that you already have, you will receive shards instead, like this. And once you collect 6 shards, you will get one free reroll opportunity. And then next, if you successfully manage to collect all of the available abilities on here, just tap on progress, and in here you can unlock an awesome rod skin like this special skin like this. And in here, unfortunately, I can't demonstrate the reroll right now because I've already used all my spins and I'm out of Robux. But I previously got Singularity ability, which has a Mythic rarity like this. And this ability gives me a huge luck boost, and it will activate every 400 catch and stay active for 40 catch. And just keep in mind that each ability has its own rarity, level, and benefits. And okay, so that's how the ability feature works in Visit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!